Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome to this update video. And I know what you guys are probably not thinking. Whoa, Caleb, you haven't released any content this week and you're already making another update video? What's up with that? Well, I've actually been pretty busy this week, so I just wanted to share a little bit of what's going on and what I have coming up this next week. So the first thing is that I took a couple minutes and I designed a simple logo, and I'm actually going to try to put that on a shirt, which is going to be sweet. I'm not sure if I'm going to like sell those or just wear them to pretend I'm cool and official, you know? So people are like, hey, what's that? And I'm like, hey, that's me. If you watched my previous update video, you might know that I'm trying to start a newsletter, which will go out, I don't know, maybe every week, every other week, or once a month. I don't know. But anyways, I sent that out this morning. So if you weren't subscribed to it, you really missed out. I had some cool stuff in there. I actually showed pictures of my analytics and my views and all that cool junk. As for total subscriber count, I think I'm up to 8,742, which is pretty awesome. As for this week, I've gained an estimate 163. And the way I get that number is I use my 7-day totals on my YouTube analytics. That is an improvement compared to what the other few weeks before this week were, but it is still not my high point. So I do want to get that up. And I'll show you a picture. You can see that it goes uphill a little bit, which is awesome. I want to keep it up on that uphill ride, like a roller coaster, but I don't want it to go down. I just want it to go up forever. So I'll be releasing more actual video tutorial content this week. That way I can get some more subscribers, share my stuff with you guys, and whatever else. Speaking of subscribers, I just want to do a little math to kind of figure out how many subscribers I'd have to get each month to get to 100,000 by the end of the year. And it's actually pretty crazy. I didn't want to do it an absolute number, like, oh, I have almost 10,000, which means I need almost 90,000. 90,000 divided by 12. Because think about that, if I could get like 7,500 subscribers in the first month of this year, then by the end of the year I should be able to get like 1 million. So I think that's inaccurate. So what I did was I took my total subscribers count and I figured out how much I'd have to multiply it by each month to get 100,000. So for example, 10% increase would be 1.1. So I took that 8,700 times 1.1 times 1.1 times 1.1 12 times to figure out what I'd have next January, first day of January. And I did that to figure out what percentage I'd have to multiply by every single month to get to 100,000. Basically, for this to work, you just take your current subscribers. I have around 8,700 on the first day of January, the beginning of January. And then it calculates the 10% increase, the 20% increase, and the 22% increase. You can use other numbers if you feel like creating it, but I ended up using the 23% increase. And as you can see down here, that will leave me with 104,323 subscribers at the beginning of January, which would be 2016. So the way this really works is it just takes this number, your subscriber count, multiplies that by 1.23, you can see 1.23, and then it basically just keeps doing that. So now it takes 10,701 and multiplies that by 1.23, and it just continues to do that all the way down the line until you get a final number at the beginning of January. So for in January, I have to gain 2,001. Now, if I want to break that up across each week, I could, which would leave me around 500 a week. So as you can see, I'm quite far behind schedule. But we'll see if we catch up. I don't know. It's worth a try, right? Each month, the amount of subscribers I have to get goes up. And then when I reach December, I need to get almost 20,000 subscribers. And that will give me a total gain of 95,623. We get 95623 plus 8700 to give 104323, which is the final number of subscribers that I'll have. So other than that, I don't really have much else to say. I'm going to be uploading database design videos this week, which hopefully I can finish that series this month or shortly in February. I'm not sure how long it's going to be, But if you guys have any suggestions for that series, like something you'd like to see, please leave me a message or comment, and I'll be sure to, check it out, see if it's a possibility or if it's something I'd want to do. And also see if it's something that would take away from the series and I might need to put in a different video or a different series. I'm considering a whole lot of things for the upcoming videos, so now would be the best time to give me suggestions if you have anything. And as always, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Just asking to subscribe in the last video has helped. I've gained some subscribers, although I apparently made some people mad because I lost 6 subscribers from the last video, but I gained 10 as of the last time I checked. So, net gain of 4, that's pretty awesome. So I do want to get my subscriber count to continue going up. So if you want to help me out, please subscribe. And as always, subscribe to my newsletter. And if you would like, you can support me on Patreon. And, give me some cash, right? Or not. Thank you guys. And I will catch you in the next video. Peace.